Rules of Survival is a pretty popular game and I love it. Yesterday I installed the game on my phone and I started playing the game. First there was a verification screen and after that the game started downloading files which were around 25 MB. Okay, let's download it and it's a huge game. But suddenly the download stopped showing the connection error, but I had a proper internet connection and somehow I found a way to fix this connection error. If you are new here, do subscribe, and if the video helped you, give a like and also share this video with people who want to know how to remove or fix this connection error. Now let's get started. If the retry download option doesn't work, tap on the cancel and exit the game. Now go to Play Store and search for VPN. According to me, the connection error is caused due to the server error. The game cannot collect data from the nearest servers, so for that you have to install this Turbo VPN app. Turbo VPN app is the most trusted and finest VPN app. After installing the VPN app, open it and select one of these servers which are near to your place. For example, I am from India, Singapore or Hong Kong are the nearest place to my country. Still, I am selecting North American server just for an example. You can use any of these. Now the app will connect and then exit the app. Now again open the Rules of Survival and try to run it once again. Now as you can see, the 34 MB files are downloading. There is no connection error notification. The speed is slow, but at least the connection error thing is now finally fixed. I will speed the process up to save time. I am showing you the entire download process just to prove it that it works. I watched ton of tutorials on YouTube and none of them worked. 90% of them are fake and unhelpful, but if you follow my steps, you can fix the connection error problem easily and in less time. Okay, it's now downloaded, and if you want, you can stop the connection and uninstall the VPN app. It's totally up to you. My game is running perfectly without any glitch. I am happy, and if I solved the same problem you're facing, then please give this video a like and also share with people who are facing the same problem. If you want to watch more videos just like this one, then subscribe to my channel now and turn on the notification just by hitting the bell icon beside the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Thanks for watching. I am Bro Smart and I'm signing out.